In quality assurance operations, various incidents occur on a daily basis. At sites that are primarily paper-based, a report is created for each incident. If there are related operations, the number of reports increases even further. These reports are passed from department to department, from person to person. Once bottlenecks occur, it becomes unclear where a report is being held up. As a result of incidents, documents often need to be revised. There is a constant burden to ensure that only the latest version is available for viewing. Document revisions also require training. Appropriate planning and management of training and training records are necessary. OpreX QMS transforms these operations. Incidents are managed through on-screen workflows. Only the latest version of each document is available for viewing, and the entire operation can be monitored in real time through search and dashboards. The value OpreX QMS delivers goes beyond simply improving operational efficiency. All data is consolidated in the cloud, making AI a true partner that supports people. The accumulated data becomes knowledge. When a new incident occurs, AI searches this knowledge base for similar cases. It helps assess the impact and level of risk and proposes possible causes and countermeasures. People make the final decision based on the rational drafts generated by AI. Digital transformation start with OpreX QMS.